Guys, it's your girl Shay Glam. Let's get started with my new tutorial. First, I'll do my eyebrows. That's the first thing I do on all my videos. There it goes. And now we're going for the base. The base I use is the mineral powder. Let me blend out the shadow. Now for the shadows. The first shadow I'll use is a beige from Anastasia. I love that palette. It has beautiful colors and it really works well for any type of skin tone. Next, I'll use a pink shadow. That's gonna be my background color. And following that color will be like a darker pink, almost orange, on the crease. Following with a hint of black, I start off on the corner and blend my way in. Next, I'll use both of these colors and tap it right on the outer corner. It'll make a beautiful purplish color on the crease. Work your way through it. All it takes is patience. You will get the look you want and all work out. Next, the highlight. I use highlight right on my eyebrow bone. That's gonna make it pop. Blend that out. And now for the cut crease. I use the concealer and I'll start off on my tear dot and work my way out. Next, I use a gel liner. It's way smoother than the liquid eyeliner. The liquid eyeliner is really wet, and with this gel liner, you could work it out and smooth it where you want it. Ta-da! Next, you will add your lashes. You add some red under your eyes. I put on concealer and banana powder so that the powder that I put under my eye will not make a mess under my eye. Now I'm putting a brighter color. The bright color I'm using for under my eye is the blue color. The blue color will give me a darker purple and a more pop out look. With a hint of black. Always use black. And there you have it. Now I'm blending everything all together with my powder. blending it out to take out all the harsh lines, as you can see here. Once that's settled, I will show you how it looks. So now I will use the highlight. I'll highlight my cheekbones. Beautiful. I love that highlight. I'll add a little bit on my nose, on top of my lip, on top of my eyebrow. Now I'm using some lipstick. It's a dark brown. On top of that, I'll use a darker pink and let it set. And there you have it. Nice, beautiful, simple look for an everyday or a outgoing look. Look flawless and beautiful. Hope you like this look. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please leave it down below. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.